Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer your YouTube channel to another account. Moving a YouTube channel to another account might sound complicated, but once you understand the flow, it's actually manageable. Start by opening YouTube and clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. Then head into the YouTube studio. From the dashboard, scroll down the left panel, open Settings, then go to Permissions. Before transferring ownership, your channel usually needs to be connected to a brand account. To do that, open your channel settings again, find Advanced Settings, and look for the option to move channel to a brand account. Create a new brand account if you don't already have one, then follow the prompts to move the channel there. Once the channel is connected to the brand account, return to Permissions, select Manage Permissions, and invite the new account using its email address. Assign the role you want, such as owner and manager, and once the invitation is accepted, the channel access will transfer successfully. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.